On the 26th of July 2021, the leader of THMA RANGLI JUKI, Angela RYNGAD, has once again protested at the main gate of the Meghalaya Secretariat against the adamant attitude of the Meghalaya government towards the unorganized laborers of the state. Following this, the Chief Minister of Meghalaya stated that protesting in front of the Secretariat building is not acceptable and urged upon RANGAD to instead come forward for discussions with the concerned authorities. CONRAD SANGMA also clarified on the alleged scam related to the disbursement of cash support by the government to the unorganized laborers of the state.
The concerned individual has been mentioning about some kind of scam in the amounts that have been given to the 1,80,000 laborers that are there. Let me clarify. There was a list of 2,20,000 people that had come to us. Once the NIC and the Labour Department went into the details, they found out that there were duplicate names, almost 35,000-40,000. And therefore the numbers from 2,20,000 plus came down to 1,84,000. Out of the 1,84,000, 1,50,000 have already received the benefits of this amount, and the rest of the money is in the banks right now, where verification of the account details and more additional papers which are missing for the rest of the approximately 35,000 beneficiaries is still pending. So therefore the process is on, and because of the paperwork not being completed, the money is there, and there is no question of any kind of allegations that the person is making. It's absolutely wrong. So therefore, I don't know what the purpose of it is, but let me also urge the concerned person that if you have anything to ask or discuss, they can come and always meet us. But sitting in front of Secretariat is not acceptable.
So this